Hello friends, welcome back to famous, creative, well-known, popular, unique educational channel. To watch more creative videos on Fast API, Python, machine learning, deep learning, face recognition, face detection, and many more. I have done plenty of videos on face recognition, face detection using Fear library, using DeepFace library, using MTCNN, using FaceNet, using CNN, and many more using media pipe. But using media pipe, I was successful for face recognition with different emotions. I was little bit successful. Recently, few months ago, I posted one video in which the emotion detection with graph was there. But now today's video is really interesting, creative, and innovative. I'm using Socket.io, and since I'm using Socket.io, I tried this video few months ago but was not successful. Today I'm successful with face recognition with emotion detection using Flask with Socket.io. So I will show you the program code. So here Socket.io, we can see here Socket.io, we can see here static file and template. We will go through template. The template is nothing but HTML file only. So I will execute the program. Yes, my face has been recognized. It is telling neutral, it is telling happy, or it is telling surprise. Angry, it is a neutral, happy, and surprise is coming fine, but why not why not crying. Angry is coming fine. Sad, angry is coming. Surprise is coming fine, but little bit of neutral. Gray. So I successfully done with facial emotion recognition using Socket.io. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Fast API using Python, using machine learning, using deep learning, using face recognition, face detection, attendance system, and many more. With JavaScript, I had done many videos on Fast API with with database like Postgres, SQLite, then MySQL. I done face attendance system using Fast API using So for latest update about my channel about JavaScript and machine learning and deep learning, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.